This is the perfect example of how incompetent and ignorant Republicans are about the Constitution, even though they claim to love it, yet they don't understand its protections or what's in it.
So due process is, in this situation, is, are you here legally?
That isn't.
That is due process. Yes, it is.
Due process is getting arrested and charged with a crime and seeing a judge, and these people are not seeing a judge. That's not true.
They don't have a right to see a judge.
Right.
They came here illegally. They came here illegally.
If you are on American soil, your status does not matter. You have a legal right in this country for due process.
So this is Indiana Lieutenant Governor Micah Beckwith demonstrating his complete ignorance when it comes to our Constitution. So I just want to get one thing clear. In the 1976 Supreme Court case, Matthews versus Diaz, Justice John Paul Stevens wrote, "There are literally millions of aliens within the jurisdiction of the United States. The Fifth Amendment, as well as the 14th Amendment, protects every one of these persons from deprivation of life, liberty, or property without due process of law." So the Constitution states multiple times, and the Supreme Court has confirmed, that everyone on U.S. soil is guaranteed due process of law. And Beckwith's argument that because they came here illegally, they don't get to see a judge is absolutely ridiculous. That would mean anyone who did anything illegal isn't entitled to see a judge. And that's exactly what due process is for. It's to make sure that the government doesn't deprive you of life, liberty, or property without going through the process. Seeing a judge, being charged with your crimes. In some cases, presenting evidence and confronting your accusers. So this is just another example of an incompetent Republican who claims to love the Constitution, but only wants to apply its principles when it fits their political ideology, but wants to ignore it when it's inconvenient for them. Or, as in Beckwith's case, are too incompetent to understand it.